Thermodynamics is, at its core, the study of disordered energy. The first part of the name, thermo, means heat, and heat is really just disordered energy, so we can see from the name that's pretty obvious what thermodynamics is. There are 4 laws to thermodynamics. However, we will be looking at the second law, which states that in all energy exchanges, if no energy leaves or enters the system, then the potential energy of the state will always be less than that of the initial state. So, if an isolated system is not already in a state of thermodynamic equilibrium, it will evolve towards it. This law leads to a concept called entropy, which is the tendency of all objects towards disorder. The less ordered an object is, the more ways there are of arranging its constituents, and so something that can be arranged in more ways is said to have high entropy, whereas something that does not have the same flexibility has low entropy. For example, an arbitrary pile of snow has a very high entropy because you can arrange the snowflakes in many ways and still get a similar pile of snow. On the other hand, a snowman has lower entropy because there are fewer ways of arranging the snowflakes to make a snowman. And as the wind blows, snowflakes will fly off and land elsewhere. Of course, the snowflakes could all land perfectly to create another snowman, but the probability of that happening is extremely low, and we can assume that that won't happen. So as you can see, that as time goes on, and the system evolves, its entropy increases. If we left the snowman out in the wind for a certain amount of time, all that would be left is a pile of snow, very similar to the one we were comparing it to.